Thank you for calling Alice Restaurant. How can I assist you? May I know your name, sir, ma'am, so that I can address you properly? What date and time would you prefer, ma'am? And for how many guests? Let me check our availability. Hold for just a moment, please. We have a table available. Would you like to sit indoors or outdoors? And a special occasion or celebration, ma'am? Wonderful. We'd be happy to make it special. Would you like cake, dessert, or wine? We'll ensure an unforgettable experience, ma'am. Okay, let me repeat your reservation, ma'am. This is a reservation on Tuesday, October 22 for 2 person at 7:30 p.m. Is that right, ma'am? Reservation confirmed. Thank you for calling Alice Restaurant. We'll see you soon.